Long time no see. We are here at the salon with Elkie. Hi, Ki. With Shannon. Today is we are going to do a haircut on her. Haircut and hair color daw. Sabi niya, she wants a haircut and hair color. And mother also wants to have a haircut because ginawan siya ng haircut ng father ko, but she did not like it. Parang bushy pa din. And we are going to do color on her too. Pangit ng lighting. I look so weird. So yan. Long time no see, guys. It's been, I don't know how long na since I posted a video. May mga 2 to 3 months. I don't know. Maybe not. I'll check. I don't know. So we'll be starting now. This is Shannon's before haircut. Grabe, taasa na. How long it's been in? Mga 1 month? No? Since haba na. Then we had her hair very short, like a zero here, and look at it. It's so iwi na nin.
Oh, nice hair.
This is her hair. Nice hair. Char, so what's yours? So we're done with John's haircut. So yeah, this is her haircut, guys. Her haircut. Ang tagal na finish. So now it's time to color her hair. Look at me. I have hair all over me. So, color time! No, wait, kabayo. Color time. Color time na, no?
Yes, please.
Hi guys, I'm back and we're coloring Sean's hair na, and I already cut Elkie's hair, and we will be doing hot oil on her, guys. So yun, see you later. By the way, I forgot to show you that I also did mother's haircut, and we will still be doing color in her. Okay? The Ulay and Shannon is already, I don't know, wala pa ni process. Okay, Elkie is ready, and we are going to rinse her hair now. Yay! Yay! It's so many hairs. We're done with Sean's hair. It looks so weird, but it does not register sa camera. But it's so cool, diba? That is his hair. I'm gonna take a picture. Char. So, it's not registering. Ikaw? Naduka siya.
Sa gawas lang.
Sige, let's go outside, oh. Mother, naka-treatment na siya. She's in the bowl. You know, hi, Mother.
Hi.
Oh my God, your kilay is so strong.
Ay, siya nagpila na
Yeah.
Saan ba kinalay?
Ha? Light! You can brush it with kanang ano, then mo i-kuan ba? Para di strong. Oh, diba? Wala na siya iba, no? Char. Hello. Hello, people. People. Nin, tanawan nin, mura juga ka nagpa-color o buhok diri.
Okay, layo man.
Layo, bisa na. Wait, naman siya obvious. Wali, gapon. Wala. About you, te?
Paano kung gumitawa tayo?
Te, ate, your kagid is showing.
Daddy?
Manay, kikapo yung edit. Hi, Mother. My God. My face is so freaking shiny. Look. Puti daw po na kayo siya. Hi guys, I miss you all. Wow, here's the food. The puso. We are eating shoma. Wow! Again! Yeah! Hello, oh my God! Wala, nalipong na ko. Wala, oh my God. Wala, ina. Here's the finisher. Mother, no more uban. Yay! Fully covered. Gray hairs. Like this, para style, diba? Inaka-senior. Ina-senior. Hi, Doy. Talikod, mother. Spin. Nita, spin na. Gujaday. Spin. Ayaw. Ling. Ano, Ros? Straight. Spin.
Anak ko niya.
Muspin, ay. Mana, ay. Hey guys, so we're home now. We're home already, and there was an incident there at my salon, but I'm not going to talk about it. I'd rather not talk about it. Yeah, I look so haggard. What am I gonna say? So I did 3 people today, and no, I think I wanted to say goodnight now. And oh nga pala guys, I'm eating this one from Goya. It's the raisin and nuts in milk chocolate from Goya. This is delicious. It's not that sweet for me. Or I always eat this one, or the dark Goya one. Why is my cheek so red? I think I'm using the, I forgot the name, Sophie lip and cheek tint, and it looks so weird. This looks so weird because when during the morning when I apply this one, I applied this one like around 9 a.m. yeah, this morning. Yung in-apply ko siya, hindi siya masyadong like this, but look at it now. It is so parang para akong lasing. Yeah. So ano ba yan? I'm getting weird with my talking again, because and I don't know, I just feel so awkward because it's been a while, since I did vlogging. But hopefully I could vlog more often and consistent. Sana. And then one more thing, I just hope na ma-edit ko din to, kasi sa totoo lang guys, I really did film vlogs for the past days, like yung busy days ko. I was so busy last November, December, and January, kasi nga, during that time busy talaga yung salon, so I was busy, and I am doing some vlogging, but the problem is I don't have any time to edit them. So that's what's been happening, and I decided not to upload it because it's so old already. I think, yeah, so old, and I guess it's been like 3 months ago na since my last vlog, and I look so weird. Sorry if I look so haggard, guys, but it's just like that. So I'm just gonna go here. Yeah, get the pen to mother. So yeah, I think I'm gonna say goodnight now because it's almost. I'm looking at my watch, but I already removed my watch. So yeah, I just wanted to say goodnight na, and I hope to see you next time. And hopefully I could do vlogs more often. I just hope. So for now, that's it, and I miss you all, and I will see you soon. Bye.